So it's a very exciting day. We're renovating Glen Cove Elementary School. This has been a project in the works for many years, and we're just so glad that we're successful for it today.
It's a 2-year project, and so we've just started, and so we should be finished by 2026 and open for the whole building and the project to be completed.
So right now it's an open concept classroom school, which I don't know if you know anything about that, but it is very challenging for our teachers because essentially it's like 4 classrooms in one room, no walls in between. So it's very hard for children, especially with ADHD or even a child that has no learning disability, to learn in that environment. So we're going to be able to go through here, completely redo everything in the school. The school was built in 1970, so it's been a long time coming, and we're going to bring it into today's times.
And so with our renovation project, the #1 thing is to make sure that we have the best instruction possible. And so they're going to come in, and the main part of the renovation is within the classrooms, where they're going to create walls and doors and enhance and just modernize the building.
Well, it's very important because every child matters, and I'm a father of a child that has ADHD, and I understand the challenges that come with that. It's very hard to pay attention when there's 4 different teachers going at one time, right? So we put education first. We love our children. We want them to succeed, and elementary school is that core learning environment. Before we get to middle school, they need to learn how to read. They need to learn how to do basic math. So these things are a challenge right now, so we're really looking forward to creating an environment where our children will be able to learn much easier.
It's a great day to be a Cougar. I know that it's been a long time coming, and when I came here to Glen Cove, I didn't really know how it all worked. And over the last 2 years, I've seen magic happen, even in that open classroom design, and I'm just excited to know that the best is yet to come.